been a couple years since we've had the parade. As we were walking down Delaware Avenue, the folks that were along the sidelines really came out, and you could just feel the enthusiasm. And for those of us who serve in elected offices, to see and hear that gratitude is really uplifting.
And this fantastic country is going to flourish. I believe that in my heart. And as long as we keep doing these kinds of things and reminding each other what is wonderful and about this country, I think we're just going to be fine.
Work on. Ready? Aim. Fire. Aim. Fire. Aim. Fire. Present on.